Take a look at your Roborock S7 wheels. If they're looking smoother than a billiard ball, you need a wheel rubber replacement. Think of it like bald tires on a car. After hundreds of miles of patrolling your home, the tread on those wheels naturally wears down. Once that grip is gone, your high-tech helper loses its traction and starts slipping on smooth surfaces. We totally get it. When you notice the balding tires on your Roborock S7, your first instinct is likely to order a cheap kit online and tackle the wheel rubber replacement yourself. But the risk of a DIY repair is higher than you might think. One slip of a tool could snap a fragile connector or misalign the internal mapping sensors, leading to much more expensive damage than a tire change. Don't risk turning a minor maintenance task into a total vacuum meltdown. Trust the experts at RoboCare to do it right. We don't just stretch new rubber over old wheels. Our team uses specialized precision tools to carefully disassemble the wheel housing, ensuring no stress is placed on the delicate drive motors or internal sensors. We use only genuine component. Every repair at RoboCare includes a full diagnostic check to ensure your robot's navigation is perfectly calibrated with its new grip. We don't just fix the problem, we restore the performance you fell in love with. But seeing is believing. Let's see the amazing results we achieve. Check out that grip. With fresh rubber, this Roborock S7 is back to its factory best. No more slipping, no more sliding, just flawless navigation and powerful cleaning on every surface. It's like a brand new machine. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
If your Roborock is slipping, sliding, or acting like it's lost its groove, please do yourself a favor. Don't stress out with DIY kits or waste money on a new one. Call RoboCare. They're professional and they actually care about getting your life back to normal. Rocky is back to being the MVP of our house, and I couldn't be happier.
Don't let your robot stay stuck. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.